Today I just want to give you a quick video, a practical solution, how to get your notes and highlights from Kindle actually onto your computer. There's a number of ways to do this here, but I just discovered this, really easy way, and I wanted to share it with you. Before I go on, real quick, I have lots of tips like this on my website, thathelpfuldad.com. You can go to that. You can get my tips emailed to you each week. A lot of good stuff there. It's free to sign up and follow. So without further ado, let's get back to this one here. Really, all you have to do is go to this website. It's up at the top here, https://read.amazon.com/notebook. If you go there, you'll see all the books. So here's all my books, right? And all my highlights and stuff. So I had this great book from Tim Ferriss, Tools of Titans. And I've got so many tips from this book, right? 927 highlights, 65 notes. It's filled with tons of great stuff, but I couldn't get it off my Kindle. I couldn't get all of it. They would only transfer a little bit at a time. And so here's the solution, right? You come over here, and then I'm in Chrome, so I'm simply going to print this. I'm going to save it as a PDF. Let's see. Now there's a lot of notes in here. Let's see how many pages it's going to be. 116 pages of notes. That's how many tips I got from this book. It's incredible, right? So first of all, if you haven't read the book, you should read that book, right? But if you want to get the notes, save it as a PDF. You could print it as well too if you wanted to, but in this case, all right, save it to my drive. In this case, I'm just going to save it as a PDF, and I could get that right there on my desktop. So that's how you do it. I've already done it, so I'm not going to save it again. But that's how you do it, and it's extremely easy. And you also get all of the notes too, which I think is kind of important because, like I said, I had tons of it in that book. So that's it. Quick and easy tip. Hope you liked it. If you want more, go to thathelpfuldad.com. Have a great day.